Aloha, Professor Teo, and this is my conclusions and findings about the last two workshops we do in avionic maintenance. Um, First of all, I want to talk about EWIS 2 with the aircraft Piper PI 30. So, in continue part with EWIS 1, we look about the function if the generator or an starter motor system have the function situation of the Lewis 1 ITH module that because the finding we know that the electrical system in the aircraft there is not complete at all and they need to maintenance and put some connections around the generator for example and then secure that that the cable around the master switch is correct and complete at all because when we do the connectivity test we 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 look at the specific part of the master switch don't they don't have energy and they don't have connection with the initial part of the generator and the they they are no possibility to charge the battery with that generator or to use it when it comes of the airworthiness of this aircraft. Then I gonna make a match about the module and aircraft system vacuum system that I seen in the last workshop. That's because I could do the operation test with the module and know how it starts and the vacuum system with the stabilization of the gyroscope and then when the gyroscope took put rigid it could do the precision movements to show the attitude on turn and bank or directional or gyro directional. And when it comes of the aircraft, we know we saw that there is the parts of the system that needs to be changed or with the maintenance because, for example, the manifold part or component that include the checks valve, we see that there are a lot of corrosion and they need to be cleaned and ensure that the function is, is completely good and well to put the put the air or the vacuum in action because if the check valve they are in malfunction we could damage the instruments and all the system below. We cannot see the attitude and we cannot see the turn and bank or directional heading that we need to fly in aircraft. Then again, we don't saw the connection with the vacuum pump and the vacuum regulator because there is no connection or there is no anything that putting in and put and cool works with the vacuum pump so the system couldn't work at all and that is all the things that I saw in this last two workshop. Thanks a lot and that is all.